Hello my friends, in this video I wanna show this Dowelling Jig and check how it works.
When I watch channel of my friend Michael, I can see here a lot of type of Dowelling Jig. Maybe all existing types of Dowelling Jigs are gathered here. I especially like this one. This jig has very simple construction and works very well, but here is very difficult to see a pencil mark. I decided to try to solve this problem.
So I have prepared parts for building my jig. Plastic parts and bushings, 2 screws, pins with thread inside, brass tube, 8mm hole, and this circle with a scale. Yeah, this circle is moving pretty tight. So let's start our trials. First of all, need to make line. Center of workpiece have found automatically, but sometimes difficult to take aim. Of course you can look through a hole, but it's not especially convenient. In this reason I tried to add this wheel with the scale. Now I can adjust my wheel and put my jig correctly on the line.
So, jig works. And when you don't need to drill, you can use it like a Christmas tree toy, for example. Link of Michael's channel in description, and don't forget to subscribe my Instagram. Thank you for watching. Good luck.